Welcome to the CSM Show Mini-Series. In this episode, we're tackling one of the biggest realities of 2025, profit-aware customer success. The new rule? Growth still matters, but profitability defines survival. That means knowing where your team adds value and where automation or self-service should take over. Let's warm up with a quick test. Quiz 1. You manage 60 accounts, but only 20 drive 80% of revenue. What's your first optimization move? A. Schedule equal check-ins across all clients to stay fair. B. Resegment by impact and automate your low-touch engagements. Lock in your choice. We'll circle back soon. Profit awareness isn't about cutting corners. It's about maximizing margin per outcome. The best CSMs in 2025 are 1. Using effort to impact mapping, understanding where human time yields measurable growth. 2. Creating tiered playbooks that scale impact through automation. 3. Tracking profit contribution per account, not just retention rate. Now, let's test your decision-making in a real scenario. Quiz 2. A client asks for a custom report that takes hours to build, but their contract value is small. What's the right move? A. Deliver it anyway to maintain satisfaction. B. Offer a standardized dashboard and redirect the conversation to scalable outcomes. Think it through. Leadership means balancing care with commercial clarity. In 2026 and beyond, profit-aware CS will evolve into predictive ROI management. Every client will have a real-time profitability score. CS leaders will balance revenue, cost, and time to impact, and AI will guide where human focus belongs. All right, let's see how your strategic instincts hold up. Quiz 3. Your company cuts CS headcount by 15%. You're told to keep retention at 95%. What do you prioritize? A. Maintain frequency of meetings to show activity. B. Redesign your coverage model. Automate monitoring. Focus human effort on revenue-critical clients. This one separates operators from strategists. Okay, let's reveal the answers. Quiz 1 is B. Resegmentation drives sustainable impact, not fairness, focus. Quiz 2 is also B. Scalable outcomes protect both profit and trust. Quiz 3 is B again. Profit-aware leaders prioritize leverage, not labor. Takeaway. Profit awareness isn't cutting cost. It's investing energy where it compounds. If your client doesn't grow profitably, neither will your company. Thanks for staying until the end of this episode, and for watching the CSM Show Mini-Series. Subscribe and share it with a teammate redefining CS strategy. Keep leading with clarity, curiosity, and care. That's how modern CSMs grow. See you in the next episode, where we'll talk about community-led success and how customer networks create retention flywheels.